Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease.
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave, and in today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be working with LUVME hair. Today I did this quick and easy glueless wig install on this bouncy brown unit from LUVME. It is in 16 inches and it is a 5x5 lace closure unit. The color, the curls, everything about this wig is just perfect. So if you would like to see how I installed this unit, just keep on watching, and the links for this unit will be in the description box below. And let's jump into today's tutorial.
She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see why your heart's I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Ready? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, lot. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. They used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get up though. And I know, you know. You want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we are chill with Noel and party, a jazz and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird Versace. Back it up high, you look like your body drive me. Oh God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Dance and tease me. How you want to run like a nothing? I think dance for me and have my head stiff. Yeah. No fair, no cares. Because who went? Time she said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see. Why your heart's I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have burned the way you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Dance and tease me. trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap and your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. When they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag and I'm working. Do not vibe, put the work in. Cause you know I love them all. To me, you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it. You the only one I'm tryna make love to, picking and choosing. They ain't really love you, running game using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them that a real stepping in. Don't let them try you, test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. I don't wanna, yeah.
Alrighty mamas, so this is the wig from LUVME Hair. They went ahead and sent me this 16-inch 5x5 lace closure unit, and these curls are everything. The hair came pre-curled, so curling this wig, as you guys saw, was literally a breeze. And the fact that it's 16 inches, life. It's giving me life. I love this. I didn't have to cut it. Everything came perfect. Like, it's the perfect length for curls or short curls. So if you're looking to get some really nice bouncy curls, definitely do 16 inches. So this wig can be found in the description box, the links to the wig and LUVME's website, because they have a variety of wigs. I love working with them because their hair and laces are just super dark girl friendly, thin. It's perfect, it works. I did not have to pluck this unit, which is crazy. So this is literally very much beginner friendly. This is a grab and go type of unit. So if you are in the market for that, definitely don't forget to go ahead and check out the description box. And I'm loving it. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you to LUVME for sending me this gorgeous wig, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.